Microscope, microscope, microscope show.
Microscope, microscope, microscope show. Microscope.
Welcome back to
Hi,
Microscope.
I'm Brent Weinbach. This is Microscope Show.
And I'm Doug. Today we got a VHS tape. And what this is I've had this since the 90s. It's propaganda, one of the Bones Brigade videos, Power Peralta skate video
This is dusty as bisque.
with a Sidewalk Surfer sticker on it.
This is very dusty.
And it's very
It's so dusty, I want to
Well,
keep it away.
it wasn't in a
Protect
it wasn't in a
the
case. It's just been sitting on a shelf collecting dust. So let's see. Okay, let's look through the window here.
Let's take a peek through the window.
You can't even see anything through that window.
Right. There's too much snow on it.
Okay, this is encoded with
Anti-freeze.
anti-copying process. Okay, here's the tape.
Look
at
at
these
that.
little grooves.
That's
on
a
here.
plastic right there. That's straight plastic.
That's just a little texture where you hold it.
That's interesting. That is
here's-
interesting. That is interesting.
Look, here's the edge of the tape, right?
Yeah.
See, we're gonna go around,
The whole.
and of course, there's your fiber.
That's not even a fiber. That seems like some sort of
Full-
spider web or
full
something.
Fiber.
That's a spider. Spider web.
Now, this text on here was purposely kind of like a grungy font, so it's gonna look.
Was it?
Yeah, look, see.
Purposely.
Yeah, it's purposely.
I don't know about such a thing.
I'm positive. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Anyway, here's. I used to work at a tape dubbing house, and right here would be the length of the tape. T85. That means
the
it's an
time
85
minutes?
minute tape, right? Because if you're gonna mass produce a tape, you don't want to put it on a 2-hour tape. Then you're wasting tape. You're wasting tape.
Sure.
So when you manufacture something, you put the exact amount of tape in there. Okay, here's the little tab that you pull out to make it so you can't tape over it.
Yeah.
It's just
Lock it.
A little hot. Oh, there's some crumbles in there.
It is really.
There's some crumbs in there, dude. Oof. Some boogers. This thing's loaded with boogers. Here's the bottom of the tape.
Look at that.
It's kind of a different pattern. Let's look down. Here's the
Oh,
reel.
The spool.
The spool.
Or not the spool.
Yeah. Ooh.
Well, this is dirty dust.
Look at that. So this is what's going to happen if you
Jeez.
just simply put a tape on a shelf or anything on a shelf without dusting it. You're going to get this.
Right.
This is that spool part right here. That's kind of cool, I guess. Here's some dust. This is straight up. This is the top of the tape.
This is pure
The
milk.
dust.
Pure milk dust.
That's just pure dust right here. See, you can see every
It
little
looks like
grain of dust.
It looks like a breading, you know?
Oh, it's starting to get me hungry. Okay, here's that little. This is that tab you press to that square. You have to press that in to get it to open, and then you have this latch here. You know that little guy. See, that's what kind of shuts it. Oh, you can see it. It's kind of cool. Watch.
Wow. Up close, you're seeing the
Wow.
mechanics of this videotape and the way it opens. That's very cool.
Okay, let's look at the tape. I have a feeling the tape itself is going to be kind of bland.
It's just metal.
It's just metal. See, it's just
It's the same as the
just
cassette.
smooth, smooth and
It's kind of reflective, though, obviously.
yeah.
Actually, I wonder if you could see the reflection of something in that, Because I can see the reflection of the microscope in that. I wonder if they could see the reflection of my eyes.
That kind of looks like the grip tape.
Sure does.
Here, okay, let's look at a screw. Oh, cool. Look at that.
Wow, that's cool. That's really neat. That's a Phillips entryway.
That's
right
the
there.
Phillips head right there for you. I wonder if there's a guy called Phillips, who who first did it.
Todd.
Right? Todd Phillips.
Mm-hmm. He created the first screw like this and Hangover, the first one, Hangover. No, I'm just kidding.
Did he do all the Hangovers?
I think he might have done all of them. He also did that documentary called Hated about Gigi Allen, I think.
Of course, yeah.
I think it's called that.
You know, it'd be cool. Gigi Allen Yankovic. Okay, so here's this is the arrow saying this is how it goes in. Do not
rewind.
touch the tape
inside the
whoa.
VHS.
There we go. So that's the VHS tape.
Okay, very cool. It's cool to see these things up close.
I bet you didn't think it looked like that.
You ain't never seen a tape like this.
Microscope, microscope, microscope show.